Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about two broad categories of leaves, that is simple and compound. Simple leaf has one leaf blade, and compound leaf is one in which leaf blade is clearly divided into many distinct parts called the leaflets. We have learned about venation, that it is the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaves. And we have come to know about the two types of venations, that are reticulate venation. The veinlets are randomly arranged in a haphazard manner, and in case of parallel venations, the veinlets run parallel to each other. Now, today we'll be learning about the functions of the leaves. The main function, three main functions of the leaves. The leaves make food for the plant by photosynthesis. The main function of the leaf is to prepare food for the plant, and the process is called as photosynthesis. To make its food, the plant needs chlorophyll, light, carbon dioxide from the air, water, and nutrients from the soil. So the leaves get rid of excess water from the plant through transpiration. Transpiration means loss of water from the plant. Alright? So excess of water is lost, is removed by the plant through the process known as transpiration. Whenever it's very hot, we sweat a lot. Same thing for the plant also, it's like sweating. For this, we can demonstrate this experiment at home. Take a potted plant and cover the potted plant with a transparent plastic, and leave it for hours. You will find there are droplets of water will start appearing in the inner side of the plastic. It is due to the process called transpiration. Transpiration means loss of water from the plants. Next, the leaves carry out the process of cellular respiration in plants. As we know that the leaves make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. So leaves also carry out the process of cellular respiration. So in presence of light, carbon dioxide, and water, we have carbohydrates and oxygen. Modification of leaves. We know all leaves are specialized to form photosynthesis. In addition, they also have other significant roles to play, such as support, storage of food, and for defense. For each of these functions, they may have been modified into three different forms. First one is leaf tendrils. In weak stemmed plants, leaf or a part of a leaf gets modified into green thread-like structure called tendrils, which help in climbing and to support. Example is sweet pea. You must have seen this. Next, leaf spines. Leaves of certain plants gets modified to provide protection and to reduce water loss. Example is cactus. We have this, alright, cactus is the best example over here. So it's for a reason. They don't have leaves, but they have thorns so that they can maintain the loss of water. Spines are also modified leaves now. That's what I was talking about. In cacti, spines are wholly transformed leaves. They protect the plant from herbivores so that no herbivorous animal can eat the cactus. It also helps to radiate heat from the stem during the day and collect drip condensed water vapor during the cooler night. So during the daytime, it helps to radiate heat from the stem during the daytime and collect drip condensed water vapor during the cooler night. Next one is scale leaves. These are thin membranous structure without stalks. brownish or colorless in appearance. Example simple, we could see over here, you can see over here, onion. Scale leaves in onion are fleshy and thick and store food and water. Alright, scale leaves, best example. You take off the peel, you just peel off the onion and you can see that slowly you can see the scales. So they are known as scale leaves. So the reason is, the function of this scale leaf is to store water and food. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today. We have learned about the three main functions. Alright, photosynthesis, transpiration, alright, and cellular respiration, and some modification of leaves. And why do plants modify the leaves? Is for support, storage of food, and for defense. Leaf tendrils, sweet pea, leaf spines, cactus, and scale leaves, that is the onion.